with Agane Isaac. Today we are going to be learning how to design a TGIF flyer just like this one using your pixellab. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more of our videos whenever I post any. So let's start by clearing the screen. We'll clear it. So first of all, we will customize the background. We'll go to our background icon, then click on the color. We'll use gradient tool. Now choose the gradient. The color for the design was milk and brown. So we'll now choose the down color. It was milk, something light like this. Then the other one was darker, something yes. So the color code for the darker one is FEEBDC. Then for this it is FEF for if8. So now go, here is the color gradient. Now import the image. Go to your gallery, click on this, you go to where your image is located. Now import it, look for the image. If you look for the image, now import it. You resize it to your choice. Resize it. Let's bring it to the middle using center relative position. Now bring it to the middle. We'll now lock it. The next thing we are going to do is write up TGIF. Now go to your text, click on text, hit TGIF. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more of our videos whenever I post more. You now resize your write up, resize it, you now take it to back. If you take it to back, you now use relative position to align it to the middle. Okay, you now change the color to the brown. Yes, something like this. The color code for this is 6D3404. We'll now change the font. We'll now use our font here will be MTN Brighter Sound Extra Bold. This, we'll now use it. And everything used in this design will be posted on our portfolio. So the link will be in the description box. So after doing this, bring it down a little. I think we are okay with this. Then you know, yes, it is well aligned now. The next thing to do is the write up at the down part. I think the TGIF should be lighter. We used a chocolate color for it. Yeah, this. And the color code is B06607. Now align it. Take it up a little. Yes. Then let's go to the write up. You create a shape. Increase the radius. Increase it. Center alignment. Then the shape. The alignment. Yes, the radius is like this. Let's be more creative. We go to opacity and reduce the opacity a little to make it more transparent. Yeah, something like this. We'll now write in the shape. Let's write come. Okay, it is that time of the week to be creative. grab this opportunity and learn. Then we'll now reduce the size. Let's use 20. 20 is okay. We'll now change the color to black. Then now change the alignment to center alignment. Change the font to Montserrat regular. Yes. Now reduce the size of our right top a little. Then center alignment. Then yes, we are done with this. Then we'll now import our logo. Now it's time for us to import the logo of the institution. So we import the logo. Here is the logo. Physical graphics. We import it. The logo is not in PNG, it's in JPEG. So we'll go to tool here. You now go look for erase color. Click on erase color. Enable it. You can see the background just left automatically. You now take it. Yeah. Let's for the logo to blend with the design. Now change the color of the logo to the chocolate color. We are done with the logo. We'll lock our layers. Then the next thing for us to do now is the website. Alright, visit our website here. Let's visit our website. Change the color first to black. Reduce the size. You now change the font to Montserrat regular. Reduce the size. Make it small but visible. Center alignment, take it down. Then we'll now create a background for it. Shape. Reduce the size of the shape. Reduce. Then you now add radius. Let's make it 10. Then reduce the opacity to make it more visible. Then you now use relative positioning to the middle. Okay, we'll still increase the radius. We need it to be curved. I think this is okay. Then we'll now write our website. The name of our website. We'll copy this, take it to the middle, bring it down into the shape. Now write our website URL, which is www.zikopower.com.ng. So we'll make the writer to be in the shape. We'll reduce the size of the writer a little. Let's use 10. Okay, 10 is okay. Then we'll now increase this shape, the width of the shape. Middle. I think this write-up is too tiny. We'll now increase the size of the write-up. Center. Take it up. Then we'll now bring this down. Then reduce the size. And we'll now lock our layer. And that is it. We have our design. So what we'll do now is to save it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more of our videos.